Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this tutorial, we're reviewing StepMagic AI, one of the best AI tool for video editing. It's easy and fast. If you want to try StepMagic AI, find the link in the description. Let's dive in. This is the dashboard inside on StepMagic AI. With this AI tool, you can full editing your video just in one click. Click on AI Auto Edit, like in here. Choose the templates you want to edit, and let's choose the first one. Now we upload my video on the desktop like this. Now my video is ready to auto editing. We click on create AI edits. Click on button here. It takes some time. Now my video is full ready for post on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Let's show the editing. You can change only the caption style you want, or added b-rolls, or anything. Now my video is ready. Look at this. It's full optimized for Instagram to go viral. Now let's do another thing. This my video is ready. You can added a lot of things here. Clear audio, and you can generate hooks title, added magic vehicles, added zooms, remove the bad takes, remove signs. Now you can create thumbnail design for Instagram with StepMagic AI. Click on it and here upload your image, and StepMagic AI will create thumbnail for YouTube, for Instagram and TikTok. Now this video is ready. You can export it and publish it on Instagram. Just in one click, you can create your full video without need to edit it manually. Now let's go back to the Instagram dashboard. Here we try another options. It's AI avatar creator. You click here and choose your avatar. We choose anyone you like it here. We choose this man. Now here you can paste any text you want. Click paste your scripts, and this avatar will full optimize your scripts and publish your video. It's easy. It's easy to use. Now let's choose another option. It's turn a long video into shorts video. Upload a long video or copy paste the URL video and paste it on StepMagic AI, and here it's created 10 shorts video from one long video like this. It's this AI tool very helpful and save a lot of time. You don't need to use complicated software or anything. Just upload your video and turn it into 10 shorts video. Look at this video. It's it's full optimized with captions, b-rolls. It's a very helpful AI tool. Let's go to StepMagic AI and show the pricing. There are three packaging in software. The three packaging in price in StepMagic AI. The first, the second, and the last one. I recommend to use Pro. It's a very helpful AI tool and it's good price. If you want to try StepMagic AI, you find the link in the description, and see you the next one.